Dude, my roommate's alarm has been going off forever. Can you turn that off? She's not even here. Okay. I think I know her passcode. Alright. What? Oh my god. Dude. She's crazy. Alright. I wasn't expecting to have to do math right now. So she always leaves her alarms. Alright. We're gonna set one that she's not gonna sleep through. Let's do 5 a.m. Perfect. Oh, nice. Alright, let's do math. Hard. Absolutely. Sound. Okay, let's see. Let's try this one. Yes. Perfect. Absolutely. She will not be sleeping through any more alarms on my watch. You're welcome.